Hey, Coach Greg here with Fellow Training, and today I have a thigh and glute workout for you. This is going to be fun if you're trying to grow this thing or maybe like slim down your legs, whatever it may be. I got you covered with these simple, fun, fat burning exercises, so let's get right into it. So we're going to be doing 3 sets. First, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these glute growing, thigh thinning exercises. And then we'll do 2 more sets following that, which will be less talking on my part, more doing on yours. It's gonna be fun. So let's get started with set number 1. Alrighty, find yourself a flat surface, grab some water, just need a little bit of space. We're gonna get right away with some butt kicks. So here we go, 30 seconds on, stand up nice and tall, and let's start kicking that butt. Really just focus on bringing your heel as close to your butt as you can. You're gonna feel it all up in your hamstrings. It's almost like a hamstring curl. Now, if you're feeling a little ambitious and you can just do this variation. Also helps as a cardio exercise as well. Or if not, just stay right here. If you need help, you can hold on to something. Really just focus on standing upright and just keeping that heel, kicking it back, just like that. You're gonna feel it all up in here in your glute. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Moving right along into our second exercise. We have curtsy lunges. If these are a little too difficult for you, don't worry, I'll show a variation you can do. All we're doing is gonna stand up tall. We're just gonna focus on getting one leg behind into a lunge, a normal lunge, right? We're just going back, but instead of staying back right here, we're just gonna focus on getting that foot as far over as we can. Now, depending on your balance, you can just keep it tight right here, or you can go all the way over, whatever you prefer. Here we go, 30 seconds, and let's do it. Let's really reach down. Side, just like that. You don't have to touch the ground, but all this is doing is you're elongating this back leg. You're gonna feel it in your glute and your hamstring and your quads, just like that. Now, if you can't go down, feel free to hold on to something, right? You can do this and bam, and you're still working it out just like that. So a couple more seconds, 3, 2, do 1 more, and 1. Great job. All right, next we have some squats. Okay, if we're trying to grow the booty, you need to do your squats. Here we go, 30 seconds, feet shoulder width apart, and let's get down, just like that. You can go as deep as you'd like. Again, if you're having trouble going deep, maybe your knees, maybe some ankle pain, maybe some stiffness, no worries, you can find a seat, and you can just do that as well, or you can just go right here. Go whichever depth works for you. But the more deeper we are, we're really activating, really stretching all up in here. Just like that. Couple more seconds. Feel that burn. 3, 2, let's do 1 more, and done. Next, we have single leg RDLs. Last one. Now, normal Romanian deadlift, your knees are slightly bent, and you're just focusing on hinging from your hip, pushing back, keeping your legs straight as you go down. Single leg, same difference. So if you're just doing a 1 leg, what I like to think is as if I'm holding a bunch of groceries in my hand, and my car door is open, and I'm trying to close that door with my butt. So we want the butt to lead back, and you'll feel the stretch all up in here, right here. So you don't have to go all the way down. The goal isn't to hinge from the hips. The whole goal is to just see that butt go back. Like that. So 30 seconds, less talking. And here we go. So we're gonna do single leg. So really focus on going down. Going up. Don't worry about trying to kick the leg out, because that's not what we're trying to work. We want to just see that the butt go back. Just like that. Stand up nice and tall. Brace from your core. Keep your balance. Just like that. You're doing amazing. Couple more seconds. Here we go. And again, if you need to hold on to something, feel free to do that. Let's do 1 more, and done. There you have it. Those are your 4 exercises. Come on, that's not too hard, is it? I already feel it in my legs. Shake them out. Let's grab some water, and we'll do set number 2 of this thigh and glute workout in just a second. Here we go, set number 2. You know what you're doing. We're doing butt kicks, curtsy lunges, squats, single leg RDLs. Again, feel free to modify these exercises whichever way you see fit. So let's get started with set number 2. Butt kicks in 3, 2, 1. All right, curtsy lunges, 3, 2, 1. Squats, 3, 2, let's go. Single leg RDLs in 3, 2, 1. All right, second set done of this thigh and glute workout. Grab some water if you feel, or maybe do some bounces as you get ready for set number 3. All right, last set, best set. Here we go. Let's get this done. Mind over matter. Set number 3, right now. Butt kicks in 3, 2, 1. All right, curtsy lunges, 3, 2, 1. Squats, 3, 2, let's go. Single leg RDLs in 3, 2, 1. there you have it. That was your thigh and glute workout. I hope your legs are on fire like mine are. Keep doing these exercises. Do another set if you'd like. If you feel so inclined, you're gonna feel the results in no time, I guarantee it. So have a great day. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you later. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.